श्रूयते वा सहना भगिनी?
सम्यक् श्रूयते।
यस्य ज्ञानदया सिन्धो रगाधस्यानघा गुणाः सेव्यतामक्षयो धीरा सश्रियै चामृताय च। क्षम्यतां विलम्बेन आगतवान् कक्षार्थं। तत्र अष्टाध्यायी मध्ये बहवः प्रश्नाः आसन्, अतः किञ्चित् विलम्बः अभवत्, कृपया क्षम्यताम्। इदानीं वयम् आरम्भं कुर्मः। का वदति यत् अद्य का अस्ति? Lasya is not logged in through system, I think. Okay, but still. Lasya Bagini, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you recite today?
For Varivarga?
I will teach.
Okay.
अथवारिवर्गः
अथवारिवर्गः अथवारिवर्गः
We are in 564. भेके मंडूक वर्षाभू
भेके मंडूक वर्षाभू भेके मंडूक वर्षाभू
शालूरप्लवदर्दुराः
शालूरप्लवदर्दुराः शालूरप्लवदर्दुराः
शिलीगण्डूपदीभेकी
शिलीगण्डूपदीभेकी
वर्षाभ्विकमठीदुलिः
वर्षाभ्विकमठीदुलिः
मद्गुरस्य प्रिया शृंगी
मद्गुरस्य प्रिया शृंगी मद्गुरस्य प्रिया शृंगी
दुर्नामा दीर्घकोशिका
दुर्नामा दीर्घकोशिका दुर्नामा दीर्घकोशिका
जलाशया जलाधाराः
जलाशया जलाधाराः जलाशया जलाधाराः
तत्रागाधजलो ह्रदः
तत्रागाधजलो ह्रदः तत्रागाधजलो ह्रदः
आहावस्तुनिपानं स्यात्
आहावस्तुनिपानं स्यात् आहावस्तुनिपानं स्यात्
उपकूपजलाशये
उपकूपजलाशये उपकूपजलाशये
पुंस्येवान्धुः प्रहिः कूपः
पुंस्येवान्धुः प्रहिः कूपः पुंस्येवान्धुः प्रहिः कूपः
उदपानन्तु पुंसिवा
उदपानन्तु पुंसिवा उदपानन्तु पुंसिवा
नेमिस्त्रिकास्य वीणाहो
नेमिस्त्रिकास्य वीणाहो नेमिस्त्रिकास्य वीणाहो
मुखबन्धनमस्य यत्
मुखबन्धनमस्य यत् मुखबन्धनमस्य यत्
पुष्करिण्यान्तु खातं स्यात्
पुष्करिण्यां तु खातं स्यात् पुष्करिण्यां तु खातं स्यात्
अखातं देवखातकम्
अखातं देवखातकम् अखातं देवखातकम्
पद्माकरस्तडागोस्त्री
पद्माकरस्तडागोस्त्री पद्माकरस्तडागोस्त्री
कासारस्सरसीसरः
कासारस्सरसीसरः कासारः सरसीसरः
वेशन्तः पल्वलं चाल्पसरः
वेशन्तः पल्वलं चाल्पसरः वेशन्तः पल्वलं चाल्पसरः
वापीतु दीर्घिका
वापीतु दीर्घिका वापीतु दीर्घिका
खेयन्तु परिखाधारः
खेयन्तु परिखाधारः खेयन्तु परिखाधारः
त्वम्भसां यत्र धारणम्
त्वम्भसां यत्र धारणम् त्वम्भसां यत्र धारणम्
स्यादालवालमावालम्
स्यादालवालमावालम् स्यादालवालमावालम्
आवापोऽथ नदीसरित्
आवापोऽथ नदीसरित् आवापोऽथ नदीसरित्
तरङ्गिणी शैवलिनी
तरङ्गिणी शैवलिनी तरङ्गिणी शैवलिनी
तटिनी ह्रादिनी धुनी
तटिनी ह्रादिनी धुनी तटिनी ह्रादिनी धुनी
श्रोतस्वती द्वीपवती
श्रोतस्वती द्वीपवती श्रोतस्वती द्वीपवती
स्रवन्ती निम्नगापगा
स्रवन्ती निम्नगापगा स्रवन्ती निम्नगापगा
कूलङ्कषा निर्झरिणी
कूलङ्कषा निर्झरिणी कूलङ्कषा निर्झरिणी
रोध रेधा इट इज नॉट रेधा रोधा वक्त्रा सरस्वती
रोधा वक्त्रा सरस्वती रोधा वक्त्रा सरस्वती
गंगा विष्णुपदी जह्नुतनया सुरनिम्नगा
गंगा विष्णुपति जह्नुतनया सुरनिम्नगा गंगा विष्णुपदी जह्नुतनया सुरनिम्नगा
भागीरथी त्रिपथगा
भागीरथी त्रिपथगा भागीरथी त्रिपथगा
त्रिस्रोता भीष्मसूरपी
त्रिस्रोता भीष्मसूरपि त्रिस्रोता भीष्मसूरपि
कालिंदी सूर्यतनया
कालिंदी सूर्यतनया कालिंदी सूर्यतनया
यमुना शमनस्वसा
यमुना शमनस्वसा यमुना शमनस्वसा
रेवातु नर्मदा सोमोद्भवा मेकलकन्यका
रेवातु नर्मदा सोमोद्भवा मेकलकन्यका रेवातु नर्मदा सोमोद्भवा मेकलकन्यका
करतोया सदा तीरा सदा नीरा
करतोया सदा नीरा करतोया सदा नीरा
बाहुदा सैतवाहिनी
बाहुदा सैतवाहिनी बाहुदा सैतवाहिनी
till here I think we did it. Shatadrushtu shutat. That is next class. Okay, dhanyavadaha Lasya Bhagini uttamaritya uktavati. We will do some practice for the test. So just a few announcements that I will make today before we go for the practice. The Ashtadhyayi test, it is not related to Amarakosha. Please listen, this is not Amarakosha related announcement, but this is a related announcement because some of you are doing both Ashtadhyayi and Amarakosha, and hence the Ashtadhyayi test is will be from 25th August to 29th August, 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. IST, Indian Standard Time. So evening 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. will be the Ashtadhyayi test, August 25th to August 29th. A mail will be sent to people who have registered for the Ashtadhyayi test. Now, how does it impact Amarakosha students? The Amarakosha students, as I told you the timings for the test, the Amarakosha students will not have the class on those days. I will see if Sahana or somebody can be there and make you practice. I will, regarding the class, I will tell you what can be done. So people who want to practice and chant and recite can actually continue the classes. But if you are all, see, one thing is I would like to cancel the class because others, if you want to see, if you are there and you want to see the Ashtadhyayi test, how it goes on. So if you are seeing the test, maybe you can't participate in the class. So it is better to cancel the class, I am thinking. But there will be a mail sent. I think classes will not be there from 25th, which is Tuesday. Monday class will be there. 25th Tuesday to 29th Saturday, that is 28th, 4 days, Amarakosha class will not be there. Then 31st onwards, we'll resume our classes, practice exercises and Varivarga, meanings, etc. We'll continue. And we will plan to have our test on Amarakosha. This is just a discussion. I have to again confirm with the external judge whom I'm planning to call. So we let us plan for September 14th. I am for September 14th. I think by that time I will also finish the Varivarga meanings, and we will discuss some exercises related to Dvivarga and other things and other Vargas, and do some practice. Maybe we should go for September 21st. September 21st, I think, would be a right day when the test can be done. Week of September 21st. Either it is 14th or 21st, I will decide based on the external judge availability. But we will definitely have it in September in those 2 weeks. And probably we'll try to do this 4 to 6 p.m. so that people who are outside India also can somehow manage to get up early on those days and attend the test. So they have to just come one day and attend. The balance days is off for them. If they want to see the test, others who want to see the test also can see the test. So this is the plan currently for Amarakosha. The Amarakosha test will be slightly longer. I think the number of participants are also more, and because Parayanakarta and the memorizers are there, Amarakosha test may be slightly, it may be held for 6 days instead of 5 days, depending on the number of students. So I will let Sahana, my co-host in this this one, to do the planning for me, and she will let me know how many days we have to conduct and all those things. So you will get a mail from amara.vyoma@gmail.com. So that is one thing which I thought I should announce. Another announcement. This is the first announcement. The second announcement is, let me show you, go to the course page once, Amarakosha course page. Let me show you some things that we have done in the course page. People who are daily seeing the course page, for them, I think they know what is there in that. But see here, click here to listen to the chanting of Swargavarga of Amarakosha. Now, there were 2 or 3 people who have chanted Amarakosha Swargavarga fully, who have tried to chant Swargavarga fully. I think Lasya Bhagini also has done it for her students. She's been teaching there and she's been learning also. But Pratibha Bhagini here has been kind enough to record this entire thing, and we have put the Pratibha Bhagini's audio here. Amarakosha audio Swargavarga. This is for people to download and practice. This is only for our internal use. So for the students of Amarakosha class, you can use this, and you can practice here. See, what will happen is, if you go to the, if you need Padacheda and all, you have to go to my classes. But if you want to just do here to the Parayanam and practice what you have already revised, then you can download this audio here and please listen to that. This is important material and information. There are a lot of important materials here. In that, you may get lost. So Amarakosha audio Swargavarga. So please, all of you, download this and convey. Let us all convey our thanks to Pratibha Bhagini. So Pratibha Bhagini, I will just make her the panelist. Has she come today for the class? She's there. Okay. She has been kind enough to Pratibha Bhagini, on behalf of all the students and the teachers and other things, we would like to thank you for this recording, and helping us with this recording.
Mahodaya, dhanyavadaha to you for giving me the opportunity. Hope everybody will be benefited by that recording. Dhanyavada.
Yes, dhanyavada. Similar recording we will post for the other vargas also. Give us some time, maybe September, after second week after September, we'll post for the other vargas also. It takes time for somebody to record and somebody to review and check the pronunciation and everything. Pratibha Bhagini, of course, she has been very fast in her recording and other things. We tried other methods, but this is what has worked. So Pankti Shaha recording, we have done the full line recording. The Pada recording we have not done. So we have done only the line recording. So for those who want to tell the full line, kindly listen to this Amarakosha recording. That was one thing which I wanted to share with you. And the most important thing is the mail ID is currently not here, but Sahana, the mail ID to which you can correspond regarding all Amarakosha related questions. And Amarakosha, all of you were corresponding to Sanskrit from home at vyomalabs.in. So we get around 200 to sometimes we get 500 mails per day in Sanskrit from home at vyomalabs.in. So all these Amarakosha mails, they get lost in that entire thing. So what we decided was a course specific email ID will be prepared, and that will be monitored by our co-host Sahana, who will, in case it needs answers by me, I will answer, or she will take guidance from me and she will answer those mails, any questions, any queries related to Amarakosha test, etc. So amara.vyoma@gmail.com. Sahana will be the person who will be monitoring that mail ID. Sanskrit from home, you can send the mail there, but it gets lost in that 200 to 500 mails. By the time Amarakosha mail is read by a support person and is sent to me, it becomes it becomes very late, and I am unable to quickly respond many times. And sometimes the question itself will become irrelevant after 2 or 3 days. So these kind of things are happening. So we are trying to streamline that. We are trying our best to streamline those things, and we will have a lot of exercises and other things which will be uploaded. So Sahana is now managing all the assignments are now uploaded. If you see here, assignment of Swaravarga is uploaded. The Swargavarga, the assignment also is now classified Varga wise. For Swargavarga, there is an assignment. So this is a mock test. For the people who have registered for the written test, please download this Swargavarga assessment 1 and the assignment and the assessment 1, and why it is called so it is given as assessment and assignment. Actually both should be assignment only. So if you see this assignment, only Swargavarga related questions are there. So earlier there were only 100 lines. Now we have merged all those lines and put it as Swargavarga. So because this will be useful for your practice for the written test. So I would request all of you to use this document and practice for the written test. Those who have qualified have applied for the written test. So very important document. You can practice. If you practice this and if you answer this, you can definitely clear the test. In the sense, similar questions will come. Not that the same questions will come, similar questions will come. Now, any queries on these announcements, please ask the question. Any suggestions on these announcements only? So many questions. Okay. Okay, let me go one by one. Sri Lalita, Sri Ram.
Ram Ram, sir.
Ram Ram.
Sir, sorry because I couldn't come for class, Ashtadhyayi class. எனக்கு அந்த லேப்டாப் கெட்டு போயிடுச்சு சார். அதுதான் எனக்கு ஐடி கொடுக்கறல. ஒரு நிமிஷம் மார்க் பண்ணிக்கிறேன்.
Which one?
Ashtadhyayi, sir.
Ashtadhyayi. I also don't remember that. Can you ask your mother to talk to me? Or
ஒரு நிமிஷம் கூப்பிடுறேன் சார். சார் ஒரு நிமிஷம் சார். அம்மா
ராம் ராம் சார்.
ராம் ராம். உங்க நம்பர் நீங்க கொடுங்க, நான் பேசுறேன்.
சரி சார். 94489.
94489.
ஆமா. 59 885.
I have your number. Sri Lalita's mother. I have your number. I don't know from where I got, but I think you have given me before. So now I will cooperate regarding this test and other things. I will call you and I will clarify everything to you. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Ram Ram, sir.
Ram Ram.
Ram Ram. Chitra Tyagarajan.
Namaste, sir. Sir, in the written test will be in the form of Google Forms test.
Google Forms. Multiple choice. Yes, yes.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
No typing. Panchanadam, sir. Panchanadam, sir, can you unmute yourself, please? You want to ask any question?
Yeah, question is the oral presentation and the written exam will go simultaneously, right? So you will present the exam papers on the same week as the oral presentation so that they could answer.
See, that link, link we can send it at a particular time, and it can be sent with a time limit, and you can answer and send it. That can be on even in a there may be some window so that even the people outside India can answer that, and people inside India also can answer that. So we will consider that window and give that window of 2 hours, 3 hours, whatever. So within that time, I think you will be able to answer, and it will be less than the answering the test will take less than 1 hour. If you are able to, if you have studied, if you know the answer, it will be less than 1 hour.
Yes, I know. Yeah, you asked the question if you have studied, so that's a big deal. So
if you have studied and if you remember what we have studied, right. Both are there. We would have also studied and put effort. We should remember also the answer.
Right. This is very interesting. I'm really excited to see that written exam. Can I ask you one question on the subjects, or it is not right? Well, on one of the,
this will finish off the queries today, because there is a Vaisheshika Darshana class also which is there. 6:15 I have to enter that class by somehow.
Dhanyavada.
Dhanyavada, sir. Ramakrishnan Srinivasan. Any question on related to the test, exam, etc.?
Suyadeva.
Suyate.
I could not attend the Ashtadhyayi session.
Okay.
You said that some ID is given for the test. My ID I have to get.
No ID, sir. No ID, sir. We will send a mail to all of you. People who are this one, a new link, a Zoom link, and then a mail will come. On Friday, it will come. It will come on Friday.
Because you are telling to Lalita's mother that some ID and all. I thought
No, no. Lalita's mother has lost the webinar ID of Ashtadhyayi.
Okay.
Okay. Dhanyawad. Surya Vivekananda Sri Prada.
Sir, we raised our hand to chant, sir.
Chant. Okay. Tomorrow we will chant, definitely. Geetika, is it for chanting or questions related to any question you have? So people, Ashok Mohodaya, any question you have? Ashok Mohodaya, please unmute yourself. Ashok Mohodaya.
Okay, yeah. Thank you, sir, for unmuting. My question, I have heard what you have said about the tests, etc. just now. I have listened to that. My problem is really peculiar. Is when I go to that site and try to click and get the details, I make mess somewhere and I'm not able to do it. And then I can't ask you this silly things. I can't ask you. So I get problems in because problems in this locating in the various sites, etc. Due to my computer education, less education. My mind.
Don't worry, sir. We have Sahana with us. Sahana is the co-host for this course. She will help you. She is more patient. She has more patience than me, though she is younger to me. So she is a very nice student.
I can't dare to ask you, to be very frank with you.
No, you can get past me. So you send a mail to amara.vyoma@gmail.com regarding your problems. Sahana will address all those problems. Okay.
Earlier, Usha Sankar has answered some of my questions very
Yeah.
Can I send to her? Can I send to her also mail?
You can send to her also, and whatever you do, all the mails will come and land to Sahana because she is now the co-host for this course.
Okay, that's my problem because I can't tell now what is my difficulty. I will face it when I open the site and then try to know.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Also,
Dhanyawada, sir. Meenakshi Vaikalathur.
நமஸ்காரம். ரொம்ப சௌரியமா எல்லா இதுவும் கொடுத்துருக்கேன். எங்களை ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்றதுக்கு ரொம்ப தேங்க்ஸ். நான் டேட் வந்து டைம் அது வந்து சரியா புரியல.
4 to 6 mostly. Date வந்து September. For Amarakosha it is September 14th to 19th அந்த வாரம் இல்லனா 21st to 25th அந்த வாரம். So it will be 5 days. I have to confirm. Most probably it will be September 21st, I am thinking, because I plan to finish Vari Varga meanings, and I plan to finish some exercises of other Vargas and practice for Swarga Varga and then go for the exam, so that we continue with the exams and tests and other things.
டைம் என்ன சொன்னேன்? 4 to 6. அது என்ன?
That is the slot. உங்களுக்கு வந்து நீங்க ஒரு ஸ்லாட் சூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். 5 நிமிஷம் 10 நிமிஷம் ஸ்லாட் இருக்கும். You can choose your slot. 4 to 6. Suppose in 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. there will be 12 people who will have chosen their slot. So and in that slot you can come at 4:15 and take your test. You will understand when I send the mail. Don't worry about it. No.
Okay. Day எனக்கு Monday is preferable for me.
Okay. You can. You can do it on Monday only. No problem.
So I can choose whatever I want.
You can choose whatever you want.
Yeah. Okay.
If you have problems choosing, Sahana amara.vyoma@gmail.com. Sahana will help you choose and choose your slot also. Sahana, you can just note down the email ID of Sahana. She will call you and she will make sure that you are comfortable.
That is amara.vyoma@gmail.com.
amara.vyoma@gmail.com.
Okay. eagerly waiting for the test.
Definitely. Definitely. Ram Ram. Shilpa, any questions you have?
Sir, no.
No. Okay. Dhanyavadaha. So today we started the class 10 minutes late. That is why we couldn't practice. But I had to tell all these announcements. So, but there will be some mails, and I will repeat these announcements on Friday also. Tomorrow I won't repeat any announcement. On Friday I will be repeating all the announcements once more time, because there are some people who join on Fridays. So I request all of you to practice seriously. There will be a external judge who will be an expert in Amarakosha and the Shastras, who will be taking the test. So in front of a Vidwan or an external scholar, if we can tell this, it will be nice. Dhanyavadaha. सर्वेभ्यः राम 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 नमस्काराः स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्तां न्यायेन मार्गेण महिषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु।